Hi everyone, after the absolute massacre of last night with price moving down impulsively, I come to you with a couple of new scenarios that I'm going to show you in this video. Now the bullish scenario on the high time frame is that this ABC is not yet finished and that we're currently in the green 4 of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now green 4 should end in between this white box over here and is not allowed to go below this level in my opinion, because a wave 4 tends to not go below the 0.5 Fibonacci that is taken from the low of 2 to the high of 3. Then we would expect a move to the upside and end somewhere preferably in the common wave C target, but at least in the rare wave C target. The bearish scenario is that we had an ending diagonal over here and that this impulsive move is already finished, with therefore the bigger wave B finished, and a move to the downside where we would then expect at least the lows to be taken at 15.5k. Then we switch to the medium time frame count, and let me go to a lower time frame over here. So on the medium time frame, also with the price action that we had just now, I have the following going on. This being a WXY, where this WXY can be a three-wave structure, meaning it can be a W or an A by itself, the green count over here, followed then by an A, a B, and then a C, where this B is an expanded flat, and this is the target for an expanded flat ending between the 1.236 and the 1.618. So far so good, before you then expect an impulsive move to the upside to finish wave C. And also the nice confluence would be that I have a target box over there for a very long time already, and it would be nice to have it hit. So this is another scenario where then this becomes a W or an A B or an X, and then move down for C to finish wave 4 before eventually then wave 5 to the upside. The second bullish scenario that I have is only slightly different. Instead of this being a W, an X and a Y, this is a W, X, Y, X, Z, followed by again some sort of an A, B, C, then eventually another move to the downside and up for 5. The only thing that is different with the previous scenario is that we now have a 5-wave structure here instead of a 3-wave structure here. Now the third bullish scenario in this case, and I actually drew it on the chart, is the following, is that the WXYXZ is quite long, so it's a WXYX over here and then eventually Z. Now, Z cannot be an impulse, it needs to be a 3-wave structure. So in this case, what I did is that if this is some sort of a 3-wave structure, meaning that this can be of course, let me remove I actually want to remove the brush to show you more accurately. So if this is a 3-wave structure and this over here is somewhat of a 3-wave structure on the lower time frame, then this can be a 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we can move to the upside for another wave 5, or this is by itself somewhat of an impulsive move like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you would expect a correction and then another 5 waves to the downside before then moving up for further upside. So that being said, the bearish scenario that I have is that this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're just moving down to the downside, as mentioned, to much lower prices, at least taking the lows of 15.5k. On the lower time frame, the bullish scenario that I actually highlighted yesterday in my video is now of course invalidated because, well, obviously I don't have to explain this, so this triangle can go. Then I had another scenario which actually, if you traded this, would have been highly profitable because we did move up over here to the target area of a potential wave 4 in a leading diagonal, and over here we didn't cross the 0.5 with the closings, only hit the 618 and then went short, or you could have, I was sleeping at this time, and then yeah, this was crazy. Of course unexpected this move, but yeah, this is now invalidated because a leading diagonal wave 5 can't be longer than wave 1 and wave 3, and well, obviously that happened. So that goes. And now the valid bullish scenario that I then have on the lower time frame is that again this is then WX and we're looking for this Z over here, and that this is a 3-wave A, 3-wave B followed by a 5-wave C. Then eventually wave C as well as the Z is finished and we continue to the upside. Again, the other scenario is that this by itself is going to be an A, a B, a C, and then move up for more upside. The bearish count over here is that this is a 1-2-1-2 and then move down to much lower prices. This being said, thanks for watching this video. At 1 p.m. CET, another video appears on my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you at the next one. Bye bye.